I bet you didn't know that push-ups works your whole body. And if your push-ups feels impossible right now, don't scroll. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will be able to at least do 5 clean ones. A lot of the time, it's not a strength problem. It's that your setup is wrong. Your body isn't switching on the right muscles, which is why you are not progressing. Let me show you how to build them properly. Most people think push-ups are just a chest exercise. They are not. A proper push-up is a full body movement. If one part switches off, the whole thing falls apart. This is why you are struggling, not because you are weak, but because there are missing pieces. So what does a push-up really work? Everyone knows push-ups work the chest, the shoulders and the tricep. That part's obvious. But here's what most people miss. Your back, your core, your glutes and even your legs are working the whole time. When you go down, your shoulder blades move together. When you push up, they move apart. That is your upper back doing its job. It's keeping your shoulders safe and strong. If your core switches off, your hips drop. If your glutes switch off, your lower back takes over, and then push-ups feels horrible. This is where most people go wrong. Before we even talk reps, the setup matters. Hands under shoulders, fingers spread. Don't just rest on your palms. Think about pushing the floor away from you. Glutes squeezed, quads tight, ribs down. Straight line from head to heels. This isn't just an upper body move. You're basically holding a plank while pressing. How to build your push-ups? If you can't do push-ups on the floor yet, that's fine. You don't start on the floor. Start against a wall. The more upright you are, the easier it is. Elbows stay about 45 degrees, not flared out. If you can do your wall push-up properly, then you can move to an incline push-up. Then move to an incline bench, a box, a step. Lower yourself slowly. Control your way down. If you rush this, you are just doing bad reps. Another option is knee push-ups. Knees are not cheating. It's a great bridge between your incline and your full push-ups. It's same setup, same rules apply. Straight line from your knees to head, core tight, slow control. Lower yourself like you are hugging the floor. Nice and slow, then push without locking your elbows. Keep it safe and build strength. Some people struggle with wrist pain while doing push-ups. Alternatively, you can use a pair of dumbbells and do your push-ups on the dumbbells. Now, for your floor push-up. When you earn the floor, you'll feel it immediately because everything is working together. Common mistakes I see every day. This is a huge no-no. Letting your hips sag like a camel. That's your core switching off. Fix it. Squeeze your glutes, pull your ribs down. The second mistake I see is your elbows flaring out like wings. That hammers your shoulders. Tuck them slightly, you will feel instantly stronger. And the last one, rushing reps. Fast reps don't build strength. Controlled reps do. So let's talk reps. I don't care how many you can do in a minute. I want clean reps with control. Stop the set when form starts to slip. That's how strength actually builds. Your push-ups aren't about grinding yourself into the floor. They're about learning how to use your whole body together. Build them properly and everything else, your bench press, your overhead press, shoulder strength gets so much better. If this helps, save it. Try the progression and let me know where you are starting in the comments. If you found this video interesting, like and subscribe and follow along for more.